In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations and transitions to your presentations in Google Slides. This skill is invaluable for catching your audience's attention and making your presentation more dynamic. Let's dive in to see how you can effortlessly incorporate these features into your slides. First, open your Google Slides presentation. If you haven't already logged into your Google account, make sure you do so to access your files easily. Once you're in, select the slide where you want to add an animation or transition. It's crucial to have a clear idea of which elements you want to animate or which slides you'd like to transition. This planning will streamline the process and ensure your presentation has a professional and polished look. With your slide selected, find the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on the Slide tab. From the drop-down menu, choose Transition. This action opens the motion panel on the right side of your screen, where you can begin customizing animations and transitions. For transitions, you'll first focus on how one slide progresses to the next. In the motion panel, you'll see several transition options like Fade, Slide from Right, or Flip. Click on each to preview how it will appear in your presentation, and choose the one that best fits your style and presentation objective. Now let's animate specific elements on your slide. Click on an object, such as a text box or an image, then in the same motion panel, select Add Animation. Here, you can choose from a variety of animation types, such as Appear, Fly In, or Spin, adding a unique touch to your presentation's elements. As you hover over each animation option, you can preview the effect, helping you select the most engaging choice for your audience. Next, adjust the settings for your chosen animation. Decide on the direction of the animation, the speed, ranging from slow to fast, and whether you want the animation to begin on click or automatically with the previous element. These options give you the flexibility to control exactly how each element performs, allowing you to customize the timing for maximum impact. If you need to adjust the order of animations, simply drag and drop them within the motion panel. This feature is particularly useful when you have multiple animations on one slide and need a specific sequence to convey your message effectively. Finally, once you've added your desired transitions and animations, it's time to see it all in action. Go to the top of your screen and hit Present. By clicking through your slides in presentation mode, you can ensure everything flows smoothly and adjust if needed. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you now know how to enhance your Google Slides presentations with captivating animations and seamless transitions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel more confident creating engaging and visually appealing presentations.